Kids Count is really about providing policymakers and advocates a place to start from, hard data that shows where children are and helps us get to where they want to be. The data book is an outgrowth of that project. It's a yearly publication that assesses child well-being. There are 4 groups of indicators. There are 16 total. They're about where children live, about their parents, about the poverty in their neighborhoods, education and health indicators. I think the thing that's most striking to us about this report is that we're doing so well in education while poverty remains very high. And so there's a couple of things we're attributing that to. One is that the numbers we're seeing in poverty are probably a result of the recession.
Our economy has changed in Connecticut. We used to have a manufacturing-based economy, so if you graduated from high school, and sometimes even if you didn't graduate from high school, you could get a job in a factory, and it could be a very good job, steady hours, 40 hours or more a week overtime, and it could last a lifetime with increasing wages. That doesn't exist in the same way that it used to in Connecticut. So we've had a hollowing out of middle-class jobs like that. And so part of the thing with the numbers is that Connecticut often looks good overall, but when you look behind the numbers and you look at town of residence, you see that folks in the big cities aren't doing as well, Hartford, New Britain, New Haven, and also people of color, African Americans and Latinos are not doing as well.
The research is unequivocal that high-quality early childhood programs, along with other forms of early intervention, are essential for building a strong educational foundation for low-income children and narrowing the achievement gap.
The preschool programs have been a bright spot in the state of Connecticut, not only for the fact that it gives kids a head start in terms of schooling, but also because it's been able to provide working parents with a form of daycare. So I believe that that's been one area where Connecticut has done well, but as I mentioned earlier, there's still 30,000 children in Connecticut who don't have preschool, and we have to continue to work to make sure that every child has the benefit of preschool education.